Christopher Columbus is often celebrated for his voyages that led to the European discovery of the Americas. However, his expeditions also had devastating consequences for the indigenous peoples of the Caribbean. Here is a truthful account of Columbus's impact on the native populations and his true purpose for coming to the Americas. Columbus's true purpose. Christopher Columbus embarked on his voyages primarily to find a direct maritime route to Asia. Sponsored by King Ferdinand and Queen Isabella of Spain, Columbus aimed to reach the lucrative markets of Asia by sailing westward. He believed that by finding this route, he would bring immense wealth and prestige to Spain and himself. Columbus's voyages were part of the broader age of exploration, during which European nations sought new trade routes and territories. First encounters with indigenous peoples. When Columbus first landed in the Caribbean in 1492, he encountered the Taino people who inhabited the islands of what are now the Bahamas, Cuba, Hispaniola, Haiti and the Dominican Republic, and Puerto Rico. The Taino were a peaceful and hospitable people, and Columbus initially described them as friendly and generous. However, his perception of them as potential servants and sources of wealth quickly overshadowed any initial admiration. Enslavement and brutality. Columbus and his men soon began to enslave the indigenous people. They forced the Taino to work in gold mines and on plantations under brutal conditions. Those who resisted were met with extreme violence. Columbus's own writings and reports from his contemporaries document the atrocities committed, including mutilation, torture, and execution. The Spanish imposed a system called the encomienda, which allowed colonists to demand labor and tribute from the indigenous people, further entrenching their exploitation. One of the most devastating impacts of Columbus's arrival was the introduction of European diseases to which the indigenous populations had no immunity. Smallpox, measles and influenza spread rapidly among the Taino and other native groups, causing massive mortality. It is estimated that within a few decades, the population of the Taino was reduced by as much as 90% due to disease, enslavement and violence. The arrival of Columbus and subsequent European colonization led to the profound disruption of indigenous cultures and societies. The imposition of Christianity, European customs, and the Spanish language eroded traditional ways of life. The forced assimilation and loss of cultural identity had long-lasting effects on the surviving indigenous populations. Columbus's legacy is highly controversial. While he is credited with opening the Americas to European exploration and colonization, his actions also led to the suffering and near extermination of the native peoples of the Caribbean. Modern historians and indigenous advocates argue that Columbus's voyages should be remembered not only for their historical significance, but also for the human cost they entailed. Christopher Columbus's voyages to the Americas were driven by the pursuit of wealth and a new trade route to Asia. However, his expeditions resulted in the enslavement, brutality, and near genocide of the indigenous peoples of the Caribbean. The introduction of European diseases further decimated the native populations. While Columbus's journeys marked the beginning of a new era of exploration, they also brought immense suffering and disruption to the indigenous cultures and societies. It is essential to acknowledge both the historical impact and the human cost of Columbus's legacy.